Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, I wanted to tell you all about an exciting new opportunity to make money right here on YouTube, okay? If you want to learn how I created a faceless YouTube channel and started making tens of thousands of dollars per month, I invite you to join my community down below. There's really no experience to get started. You don't need to have a big following, and of course, you don't need to show your face. And really anybody can do it. It just takes a little bit of time and effort at the beginning to get started. But don't worry, I walk you through it. So click my link below to start and learn how to create your own faceless YouTube channel. And right now you can get a free trial to join, but it's only available for the first 100 people. And we have a group chat as well that you can join. So I'll leave a link down below. Otherwise, let's get started with the video. Okay, next topic is pretty similar, but why are DoorDash drivers quitting? Why so many people quit doing DoorDash delivery? You want to read this one?
Yeah. So because the base pay is down to $2,
Can you imagine driving all the way around to like Chick-fil-A, picking up like a bunch of food, driving it across town, 30 minutes later you get $2?
Crazy. So yeah,
at this point you might as well go work at McDonald's.
Yeah, for real.
Like, I don't understand how Uber hasn't, like, I don't understand why Uber drivers don't literally just go quit and work at McDonald's.
Yeah.
Okay, what's 20 bucks an hour time? That's 40 grand a year. That's not horrible, right?
Yeah, that's not that. I mean,
I guess you can't work overtime. That's the only problem with Uber. You get the facade, or with DoorDash and Uber and all these gig apps, you get the facade that, oh, I can work 12 hours a day. But it's like, what's 20 times 8 hours? That's 160. Are you really gonna be profiting $160 when you work DoorDash after all those expenses?
Yeah, for like 8-hour day.
Probably not.
Yeah.
Like, that might be your gross revenue, but then after you spend all your gas, after you spend your wear and tear on your car depreciation, maintenance, the risk that you might get a ticket when you're illegally parking to drop off your food, pick up the food.
Yeah, and it's like non-stop work. Like, if you work at a place, there's going to be times where you can, go to the bathroom, you have breaks.
Yeah.
You'll have times where maybe like no one's coming in and you're just kind of sitting around.
And you probably get benefits. You probably get benefits because you're W-2.
Yeah.
So you're not a contract worker. You can actually have you can actually go to the doctor. You could and you don't have to pay out of pocket. I mean, if you're 1099, you have to sign up for private insurance, and that could be extremely expensive.
Yeah.